Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today is expiration day, June 21st. So be sure you subscribe to my channel and sign up for the real-time updates and join the stock group so you guys can see how I do. All right, here's the TBT. All right, it's an interest rate play. I sold some covered calls because I thought interest rates might be doing something weird. I wasn't really sure. But you see here, I sold a call at $37, and it's currently at $33.49. No possible way that's going to even come close to being executed today. This stock does not move very quickly, only on Fed news, basically. When the Fed says something about the interest rate or gives an indication on interest rates, whether it's gone up or down or whatever. So, not happening. So that's going to be 100% profit. I'm just going to let these expire worthless today. Right here we have some shares of Palantir. You have 600 shares. I did a call put spread on these things. I did a $22 put, and that's pretty much worthless. And a $23 call. And that looks like it might get executed if I don't do something now. So I did make a pretty good profit on it. So I could close it. Or what I could do is try to roll it out to another expiration. So it executed, I rolled it out for another week. We'll see what happens with Palantir. I mean, I like it long term for sure. That's why I don't really want to get rid of it. I don't want to sell any. I'm just selling calls and puts either to build my position if it goes down. And if it goes up, well, I could take some profit potentially, but there's not a lot of profit here yet. So I'm just trying to generate cash flow for my account. So I just generated a little bit more cash flow for my account just by pushing it out another week. And we'll have to keep track, see how it's doing. So be sure you guys subscribe to my channel and see how I handle this going forward. Whether I roll or close or I lose money or I make money or what happens. So be sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for more. Catch you on the next episode. Thanks for watching.